Welcome to an enchanting underwater world, where three remarkable fish embark on a journey of friendship and foresight. In this captivating video, we'll dive deep into the heartwarming tale of the three fish and the fateful decision. But that's not all. Stay tuned because, at the end of this video, we have an exciting surprise waiting for you, a vocabulary section that will help you discover the meanings of some interesting words used in the story. So, get ready to be enchanted by the lives of Finn, Marina, and Finnegan as they navigate the waters of unity, wisdom, and the importance of planning ahead. Let's dive in. Once upon a time, in a serene lake surrounded by lush greenery, three fish shared their lives. Despite their togetherness, they were as distinct as the colors of the sky at different times of day. They had their fair share of squabbles, but beneath it all, they cherished their unique bond. As seasons turned, these fish grew not only in size but also in wisdom. The first fish, named Finn, was a creature of nostalgia. He often reminisced about the past and had a penchant for laziness. Planning for the future was something he had little patience for, and he lived by the motto, "Why fret about tomorrow when today is here?" The second fish, Marina, was a contrast to Finn. She lived firmly in the present, her decisions often made at the last possible moment, but she had a knack for making things work even under pressure. The third fish, Finnegan, was the wisest of them all. He possessed a sharp intellect, always thinking ahead, and had a treasure trove of clever ideas, suggestions, and plans to ensure their happiness and safety. One sunlit morning, as the trio frolicked in their beloved lake, Finnegan overheard the hushed voices of two fishermen conversing by the water's edge. An aura of secrecy enveloped their discussion, prompting Finnegan to summon Finn and Marina to eavesdrop on their intentions. The first fisherman, Jake, remarked with enthusiasm, "Word has it that this lake is teeming with big, delicious fish. What if we spend our day here, fishing to our heart's content?" The second fisherman, Mike, concurred, "That's a brilliant idea, Jake. I'm quite the cook, and fresh fish for dinner sounds perfect. Let's rendezvous here tomorrow at noon and make it happen." With their plan in place, the two fishermen departed, leaving the fate of our three fish hanging by a fragile thread. Finnegan, the astute planner, declared with urgency, "Dear companions, they intend to catch us. We must seek refuge elsewhere for our safety. I've already discovered a hidden route that leads to a nearby canal and from there to a new, uncharted lake." Marina, practical and quick on her fins, added, "I heard them too, but perhaps they'll change their minds or fish elsewhere. Let's wait and observe tomorrow before deciding." Finn, ever the advocate of leisure, waved a dismissive fin. "Why fuss over trifles? Let's enjoy the present moment." Resolute in his wisdom, Finnegan embarked alone on the clandestine journey to the nearby lake via the secret route, as the others chose to stay behind, hopeful that the threat would dissipate. The following day, the two fishermen returned, their fishing gear in tow. Marina, spotting them from afar, devised a clever escape plan. When caught in their net, she pretended to be lifeless, and the fishermen, seeing no value in a seemingly dead fish, tossed her back into the lake. Thus, Marina earned her freedom. Finn, on the other hand, remained blissfully unaware of the approaching peril. Caught off guard, he found himself ensnared in the fisherman's net, sealing his fate. In a matter of minutes, he was unceremoniously placed in their basket, his life extinguished. And so, the moral of the story echoed through the tranquil waters of the lake, carrying with it the weight of wisdom. In planning for the future, one secures the tranquility of the present. Now to the vocabulary section from the story. You can pause the video if you want. 1. Tranquil. Peaceful and calm, free from disturbance. 2. Harmonious. Forming a pleasing or consistent whole, in agreement. 3. Squabbles. Petty arguments or disagreements, often about trivial matters. 4. Antithesis. The direct opposite of something or someone. 5. Foresight. The ability to predict or anticipate future events or needs. 6. clandestine. Kept secret or done secretly, often because it is illicit. 7. Solace. Comfort or consolation in a time of distress or sadness. 8. Reprieve. A cancellation or postponement of a punishment or sentence. 9. Morale. The confidence, enthusiasm, and discipline of a person or group at a particular time. 10. Trifles. Things or matters of little importance or value.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what you want next.